now standing in a beautiful penthouse that we have for sale. It's located in Cortijo del Golf, where we sold several apartments before. It's very popular complex. Located right next to El Campanario Golf Country Club, also close to Atalaya, El Paraiso golf clubs on the new Golden Mile between San Pedro and Estepona. And this is a fabulous apartment, I think, but I like to hear your opinion of it.
Well, simply I love it. To start with, the complex is fantastic. It's very well kept. It's from 2020, but you would have thought it was recently finished. Everything is immaculate. It's clean, it's bright, it's nice. And this particular penthouse is in a fantastic position. As you know, we're in front here, we are looking out now, you and me, towards the sea and the gardens and the pool. There's no other block of apartments blocking your view.
Some of the others don't they?
Exactly.
Yeah, this one
so that's great. You are higher than the neighbors, so it's very private.
Yeah.
It's very bright. You have a lot of sun. You have the morning sun, you have daytime sun, you have afternoon sun. It's 140 square meters of terraces, so that's a lot. And if you want shade, of course, you have the awnings. And where we stand right now, they upgraded the kitchen, the owners, and it's a Swedish make called Ballingslöv.
I know that one.
Yep, a lot of people do, but mainly Scandinavians. And yes, it's beautiful, so love the place.